I'm just about to leave because that is due in tomorrow morning to get the drive shaft done, which obviously they're going to change the CV boots and them type of things. They are going to change the gearbox oil while they're at it. So I'm taking it down tonight because they're basically saying that if I take it down tonight, there's a chance that it'll be in first in tomorrow because obviously it's been left there overnight. Once them two jobs are done, secondary coolant pump will then need doing. That's better. Yeah, and then it'll be the front shockies because I don't think the rear ones need doing, but then again, maybe it's a better idea to get them all done. As expensive as they are, I'll probably get the two front ones done, have a gap, and then get the rear ones done. Yeah. And then there's nothing left to do on the CC then. Everything's in tip-top condition. The Golf, again, we still haven't got around to doing the last couple of jobs on that, which is central locking needs reprogramming. And there is something else that slipped my mind. No. The Matiz, haven't seen much on that recently, and that's just simply because we're trying to get the funds available for it. It's not our car as such, it's my friend's car, but he said sort of use it as a part of the fleet. But yeah, that needs a new clutch, and again the drive shaft on that needs doing, but it's worse than that in the terms of the teeth on the drive shaft on the Matiz. They're so badly rusted that some of them are missing. So yeah, that's bad times. Also, I don't know if you've been on the Facebook page recently, but we're due for a new arrival on the fleet, and it's one I'm really excited about. It's a vehicle that's been in the family for a long time, and it comes with so much family history as well. And it's, some people say, oh, it's just a car or whatever, but me personally, it's a car I hold close to me. But I'm not going to spoil it too much. I'll let the car reveal happen. But it is a car I hold close to my heart, and you know, it's got so much history in it. And yeah, there's just lots of family members that are no longer here with us that did go in that car and things, and we used to have a Labrador, and that his final journey was in that. I'm sure it was, or one of his final journeys. It might have actually been my dad's Audi. Actually, it might have been the second to the last. But yeah, it sounds all doom and gloom, but yeah, it comes with a lot of history, and it's been in the family for a very long time. I'd say going back to maybe 2007, 2008. And I'm buying it back because I don't want it to sort of go. The opportunity's come up for me to take it back, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to do a full restoration on it. Yeah, see where it goes. But yeah, really looking forward to revealing what that is. There will be some of you that already know what it is. But yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Or maybe I won't actually, because I'm going to try and video some of the journey to the garage and that. So yeah. In fact, I might actually go as far as video and go in the garage in it, drop it off, and then picking it back up tomorrow morning or tomorrow evening or somewhere. So yeah, stay tuned and we'll see you in about 2 seconds. Right, so first off I've got to go and call over and get my dad, because he's going to follow me down to the garage. And then he's bringing me back in the Audi. It's looking highly likely that tomorrow I'll be going out. I've got to go out tomorrow anyway. It's my rest day from work tomorrow, but it's looking highly likely that I'm going to have to go and get the shopping in the Matiz. Shouldn't really be driving it while the drive shaft's sort of got some of its teeth missing, but yeah, I still need to go and do the shopping. Bloody hell, 3 of them there been turned the corner on my side of the road. Lost track of what I was going to say now. Ah, right, yeah. So recently I've been to 2 classic car shows. One of them was okay, it was just sort of a charity fundraiser. It wasn't bad because it was a small event. I've actually already uploaded it, you may have already seen it. And the second one was at LIM, the LIM Historic Transport Day. I was really looking forward to that one, and from the moment we left the house to the moment that we got back to the house, literally everything went wrong. Between the weather, we got told that you've got to pay to get into the event. We parked in a pub car park right in the middle of the event, and it was £5 to park in the pub, and we decided to go and move to the event car park, which was on a field, which was out of the way, and then to get back to the event we had to get on a coach, which was then £6 each. So we could have paid £5 between the 4 of us at the pub, which is in the middle of the event, and ended up paying £6 each to get on the coach to go back to where I'd already parked. So that was a nightmare. It absolutely hammered down, so I literally videoed round dead quick and then we went home. So a bit gutted about that. We even got some food. Me and Rosie stood in the field in the hammering down rain eating our sausage and chips, and Rosie dropped some of hers on the floor, and oh god, it was just a nightmare from start to finish. The event itself looks really good if you go when there's better weather. Now on the 6th of August we're going to the Tatton Hall Volkswagen show. I did try to get one of our cars on display there, but they said they're already fully booked, so they said try again next year, which if I'm trying again next year I might actually try and get 2 or maybe 3 of the cars put on display. But I'm really looking forward to that one. Apparently there's going to be a celebrity guest from the Formula 1 or something there, but that's just rumours. I don't know if it's 100% true because it's not actually come from the show organisers. Yeah, bear with me 1 second while I go and tell me dad that I've arrived. He said he's going to put his shoes on and follow me down. I'm sort of thinking I'm doing this in the wrong order, putting a brand new drive shaft on it while the front shockeys are badly worn, but only time will tell. Yeah, I was sort of in a way thinking about getting these jobs done on this car and then selling it, but I think I'm sort of starting to get to the point that I was with the Bora when I had that, where it's sort of like get the jobs done and sell it, and then sort of like actually no, I want to keep it. You know, it is a nice car, it's a nice drive, it's comfortable, it's good on the fuel, it's good long distance, it's good short distance, it's got enough gadgets and tech in it for what I need. I don't need any more, because it's a car. Why would I need any more? Yeah. I think once I've done the restoration on this other car that I'm bringing back to the fleet, I'm torn once I've done the restoration on swapping and changing which car I use, or sacrificing one of them and selling it. If I swap and change, I can either set them up on a multi-car. I've heard that you can do this multi-car where whatever cars are on it, I've got an on and off switch. So on the app, you press the off button and it'll take the insurance off that car, and then you press the on button on the other one and the insurance will switch automatically to the other car. I don't know whether to just do it like that. Maybe have one of them on the road for 3 days, switch to the other one for 3 days. But again, I don't know. This is all just questions at the moment. I've already worked out that to have the other car up to a reasonable standard to how I would personally have it, it's going to set me back possibly about £300 to £400. That's just my preference of how I'd have it. Now, £300 to £400 isn't much on one of these cars, because I've got a friend from South America who's got exactly the same car, and his is absolutely immaculate, and to keep it immaculate he spent $35,000 on it. So £300 to £400 ain't much. Yes, she's an old girl now, but can't complain really, especially when part of the main reason that I want it back and to do the restoration is because it will be my main go-to car for going classic car shows if I'm gonna be able to put it on display. I mean, I would like to take the CC or the Golf, or say my granddad's Tiguan, or if my dad was willing to go with me, take the Audi or whatever. But in terms of an older vehicle to go to these shows, this is the perfect car for it. Especially when I can make some sort of file of like pictures and how it was when I got it, how it was when it first came to the family, how it went through the years, how it declined, how it came back, how it was restored, how my brother restored it, how I'm doing a restoration on it now to try and do a proper restoration. Because that's what people like when they go classic car shows. They like to see the sort of the story that the vehicle's been on. Also, there's a journey the vehicle's been on. Yeah, it's one of them. I am really looking forward to it, just simply because I've got a attachment to the car that is arriving. As for the Matiz, going back to that, all that really needs now is the clutch and the drive shaft done, and then I think he said he wants to change the radio and the rear speakers, because the rear speakers are sounding a bit crackly, so I'm guessing they've got a rip in them or something. He wants to change the radio because it's got no Bluetooth on it, and he wants to be able to, like, obviously have a conversation if anyone phones and whatever, rather than pulling over. He's got a hands-free there. Once he's done the speakers and the new radio, he said he might go for like a light tint on the rear windows. Done. Nothing else to do on it. I don't know what Rosie's doing about the Golf, because she's changed her mind quite a few times. It's only got 2 more jobs to do on it. So, me personally, if I only had 2 small jobs to do on a car that weren't going to cost much, I'd be saying, fine, whatever. But she's gone down the road now of saying that she might sell that and swap it for a Mark 7. So, that's up to her, it's her car. Originally she was saying that she was going to try and keep it for another 3 or 4 years and get them get the use out of it and slowly save up towards another vehicle. But I don't know, I think something, possibly now that I'm getting another car, a second car, but something sprung at mine to go, I might get another car myself. Well, I don't know, that's down to where Tint Wizard, that's where Michael's going. Tint Wizards on Kirby Estate, apparently they're really good. I'm not going to video my journey home, but as I said, I might video collecting the car tomorrow morning. Other than that, I'm going on for, with this and the original intro video, I'm going on for 15 minutes, so it's going to be about a 20-minute video in total. So yeah, I'll see you when I see you. Oh, just got back with the car. Feels so much nicer, feels comfortable, it's not clonking when you're pulling away. I did forget to video the collection, but yeah, it's back. And also the new addition to the fleet arrived as well. I have already given it a clean the engine bay, and I've actually already changed the colour of part of the dashboard as well, so I'll reveal that either at the end of this video or in the next one. Yeah, thanks for watching, thanks for staying loyal, thanks for being patient with the slow process of slowly building the channel. I know it's a really slow process, but by now I should have at least, I don't know, 100 subscribers. I think we're barely hitting 50 or 60. And thanks for staying patient, we will get there. We are slowly growing. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell icon, and that'll give you a notification when I do upload another video. Go and check out the social medias on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to spread the word. Bye.